In this video, you'll learn how to use ElevenLabs' free AI text-to-speech tool. This guide will take you through the entire process from signing up to generating audio from text effectively. Begin by visiting the official ElevenLabs website. Enter the URL, quote, elevenlabs.io, quote, into your browser's address bar and press enter to access the site. Once the page loads, locate the sign up button, usually found prominently on the homepage. Click on this button to initiate the registration process. You will be given the option to register using your email address or through a Google or GitHub account. If you choose to register with your email, fill in the required fields and submit the form. After registration, check your email for a verification message. Clicking the verification link will activate your free tier account, allowing you to access all available features. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard of the platform. Look for the speech synthesis or text-to-speech section, which typically appears prominently on the interface. Clicking on this section will take you to the area dedicated to text-to-speech functionalities. Once in the text-to-speech section, you will find a library of voices available for selection. Browse through the available options and choose a voice that you find appealing. Many voices are labeled specifically for free users, making it easy to identify which ones you can use without any additional costs. Next, you will need to input the text you want to convert into speech. Locate the editor box on the interface where you can type or paste your text. Keep in mind that there is a character limit, which is typically around 10,000 characters per month for free users. Make sure your text stays within this limit to avoid issues when generating audio. Once you have entered your text, look for the button labeled Generate, Convert to Speech, or Play. Clicking this button will prompt the text-to-speech engine to process the text you entered. This usually takes just a few seconds, and you should see a loading indicator or message while the audio is being generated. After the audio is generated, you will have the option to play it directly in your browser. Listen to the output to ensure it meets your expectations. Depending on your free quota and the platform's policy, you may also see an option to download the audio file in formats such as MP3 or WAV. If downloading is available, click the appropriate button to save the file to your device. That completes the process of using ElevenLabs' free AI text-to-speech tool. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.